We first started making our cardboard chair by first thinking up some designs and drawing them out. We then went to the computer to look up other designs to help us think of more ideas. We worked together to think of the best design possible so then we could start working on our actual chair. But before we could do that, we had to do our mock-up, which we began slowly but surely. We then started cutting out little thin paper slabs to go in between slits in our cardboard chair so they could fit together. We tried many different approaches, but we ended up finding the best one to work for our group. This is what we hoped our cardboard chair to look like. We then began cutting into the actual cardboard by first Jesse drawing out our design so we could cut it out. We then broke out the box cutters and started digging in. We then had to cut slits so our rectangular cardboard pieces could fit into them to hold our structure together. At first, we started out with only 3, as we did in the mock-up, but we found that that wasn't able to hold all of the complete body weight of a person. So we ended up using 6 in our final design. We also found that just one piece of the cardboard slab wasn't quite strong enough, so we had to glue 2 together. So technically, we had about 12 pieces of cardboard all together in our final project. We then began putting the rectangular slabs together so it would fully put our project in piece. We were very excited to put our last piece in and finally be done with our project. But it wasn't quite over yet, because we had to make sure it worked. So we had Emily test it out and sit on it to see if our efforts paid off. We were really nervous, but it ended up working out, and she was able to sit on the chair without it collapsing.